Hey friends, welcome back to your channel Super Child. So for all the maths lovers here, today we'll be talking, understanding and learning all about basic math symbols. So without wasting much of the time, let's get into the video. The first one is addition. Yes, adding or combining two or more numbers is called addition. For example, 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. And the symbol of addition is plus. The next we'll see is subtraction. Taking away one number from another is called subtraction. For example, 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. And the symbol of subtraction is this minus sign. Next we'll see is multiplication. So repeated addition of a number is called multiplication. For example, 4 into 3 is equals to 12. And the symbol of multiplication is this cross sign. Next we'll see is division. So splitting a number into equal parts is called division. For example, 12 divided by 4 is equals to 3. And the symbol of division is this sign. Next we'll see is equals. So equals means equality. For example, 5 is equals to 2 plus 3. That is 5 is equals to 2 plus 3. And the symbol of equal sign is this sign. Next we'll see is not equals to. And the meaning of this is not equal sign. For example, 5 is not equals to 4. That is 5 is not equals to 4. And the symbol of this is the sign. Next we'll see is greater than. So it shows that one number is larger than another. For example, 7 is larger than 5. And the symbol of greater than is this sign. Next we'll see is less than. So it shows that one number is smaller than another. For example, 3 is smaller than 6. And the symbol of less than is this sign, smaller sign. Next we'll see is parenthesis. So grouping numbers or operations to indicate which calculation should be done first. For example, 2 plus 3 is into by 4 is equals to 20. But the bracket one we have to do first. Next is braces. So braces are used to identify the elements of a set. For example, A, B, C. So the symbol is called braces. Square bracket. So calculate expression inside first. For example, 50 minus smaller bracket 6 minus 2 bracket over plus 3 into 6 into bracket. Square root. So square root. It is used to represent the square root of a number. For example, the square root of 2 is written as square root sign 2. And the symbol is this square root sign. Next we'll see is decimal. The decimal point is used to separate a whole number from a fractional part in a number. For example, 34.5. So this point is called decimal. Percentage. The percent sign is used to indicate a number or ratio as a fraction of 100. For example, if you got 75 questions right out of 100 on a test, you would have scored 75%. The next we'll see is pi. The ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter. For example, the value of pi is approximately 3.14 or 22 by 7. The symbol is this sign. Next we'll see is infinity. Something that is without limit or larger than any number. For example, infinity is countless. 1313 when written in decimal form is endless. That is 0.33333. Horizontal line. A straight line that runs from left to right or right to left. For example, y is equals to 3. The symbol is this line. Division slash. So symbol used to indicate division in math. For example, 23 divides by 43 can also be written as 23 by 43. The symbol we use is this sign, caret. It is used to indicate exponential. So example, 3 by 5 is the same as 35. The symbol is caret. Next we'll see is colon. So colon denotes a ratio or a scale. For example, 3 is to 1. The symbol is this sign. This is colon sign. Next we'll see is ohm sign. Symbol for the unit of electrical resistance. For example, milli-ohm. 1 m is equals to 10.3. Ohm sign. The symbol is this one. Sigma. So summation minus sum of all values in range of series. So for example, to solve this part of the problem, the values 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are added together. Ampersand, a symbol in English that has the same meaning as the word. For example, A and B means A and B. The symbol is this sign. Next we see is dollar sign. It is used to indicate the unit of various currencies. For example, $12. The symbol we used is this sign as dollar sign. Next we'll see is integral. Integration and is used in mathematics to calculate the area under a curve or the derivative of a function. For example, the definite integral of x from a to b is written as this sign. So friends, these are some exercises which symbol would is used to represent addition. Yes, the first one. Very easy. I hope you all have got the right answer. The correct answer is A. And you all are right. Next we'll see is which symbol denotes greater than. A, B, C or D. Come on, answer fast. Write in the comment section below. So the correct answer is answer B. Yes. So friends, if you like the video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.